Okay guys, so now that we know why we need to split our data and we need to have a train data and a test data, let's look at a sample data that we'll be using. Okay, so the first example we have over here is the salary data, and we see different columns out here. So you see the years experience that the person has, okay, on this column, and then the salary, which is in this column, and this is normally referred to as X, which is the independent variable, and this is the Y, which is something that we will train using both of these, and then we will expect the model to predict the salary, which is also known as the Y, right? So we have X, so X could be one column or two columns or whatever, as many columns as the data has, but in this example we're just going to keep it simple. And then you have X, so X is the input when you actually use the model, and then Y is your output. So this is the prediction that the model is going to make, right? So let's load this into our code and see how that works.